right, so today we don't got Bob the Builder, we got Matt the Welder. What's up, Matt?
What's up, Brett?
Yeah, so we got to replace the hanger on this. So the hanger got all oval shaped right here, so we had to do a new one of these. He's welding this up. Of course, the leaf spring got an oval shape to it too, so I'm changing this leaf spring and the one over there on the other side. Get her done. And just like that, we got the new hanger welded in. We got both leaf springs in there, and we, my friends, are good to go. And this couple can finally get on the road. Along for the Ride RV repairs. All your suspension needs, just call me. Take care of you.